Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create inline form in Elementor free version without using Elementor Pro plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor free version plugin and we are not using Elementor Pro plugin, but we are going to create inline form by using widget same like Elementor Pro form. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write cool form kit lite. So this is plugin cool form kit lite Elementor form builder we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page and we are going to create inline form in Elementor free version. On left side you see search widget, so write here cool form kit. Now you see cool form kit form widget, so drag and drop here. Now you see widget edit, so this widget is same like Elementor Pro form plugin widget. Now you see form name, new form, name, email, message. So first we are going to create inline form. Now you see name, so you can add type, text, label, name, placeholder required, and then you see column width. Now select 33%, and then you see email, so click on it. Now you see type email, label email, placeholder email, required yes. Again select 33%. If you want you can show 4 field or 3 field inline, so it's up to you. So we are going to delete message. Now you see, and then you see label show, required mark, enable. Now you see, and then you see button, so click on it. Now you see button column width 100%. Now make it 33. Now you see form inline. And then we are going to fix this styling. Now you see submit send, so you can add text according to requirement. If you want you can add icon. And then you see action after submit, email. So we are using this widget. Now only email redirect, so we select email. Now you see email, so click on it. So you can add your email, subject, so you can add information according to requirement. And then you see additional option. Now you see custom message, so you can add your custom success message, form error. Now you see. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it. Now you see column gap, so this is our column gap. So if you want you can increase or decrease according to requirement. Now you see we are going to reduce, now 50. And then you see row gap 10, so you can increase or decrease, but we are not using multiple rows. And then you see spacing 0. And then you see text color, mark color, typography, so you can set styling setting according to requirement. Now you see field, so you can set input size. Now you see small, so you can make medium, extra small, so it's up to you. Text color, typography, background color, border width, now make it 1. Now you see, and then you see shape. Now you see button, so you can add button normal color scheme, hover color scheme according to requirement. And then you see messages color scheme, so it's up to you. And then you see box, so you can add content width. Now you see 100%, so you can reduce. Now you see, if you want you can add background type, color, padding, so it's up to you. Now you see padding 0, so you can do styling according to requirement. And then we are going to fix this alignment by using custom CSS. So first click on publish. Now publish done, go to mobile layout to check, so click on it. So this is a form alignment for mobile layout. And then you see button alignment not good. Now go to content. Now you see name, column width 100% for mobile, email, column width 100% for mobile. Now you see button, so click on it. Now you see column width for mobile 33%. Now make it 100. Now you see alignment good. If you are facing issue on name and email field also, now go to form field, name, so make it 100 again here. So your issue fix here on field. Now you see alignment good for mobile, so click on publish. And then we are going to fix alignment on desktop for button. Now publish done, go to form page and refresh the page. So this is our inline form, but you see button alignment not good. So we are going to add some custom CSS. So open customize section and then you see send button, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see cool form submit group. So this div class highlight this section. Now you see, and then you see class cool form submit. So first we are going to add height, now 100%. So when we add height 100%, now you see button alignment on top. So copy this and then we are going to add in custom CSS. Now copy, go to customize and then you see additional CSS. So we are going to add, now paste, and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section, and then click on publish, go to form page, and then we are going to add some padding on button, this button. Now refresh the page first. Now you see alignment now better. Go to form page, refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page again. Now you see alignment. So click on form and then you see button. So we are going to add some custom padding. Now go to style and then you see button. So click on it and then you see padding. So we are going to add first uncheck link value together. So click on it. Now you see 0. So you can adjust padding according to this field. So we added padding for desktop, 16 pixel top, 15 pixel right, 16 pixel bottom, left 0. Now you see alignment good and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to form page again and refresh the page. Now you see form alignment good. So this is our inline form. Now activate mobile layout. So this is our mobile layout. Now you see our form look good on mobile, but if you are facing issue on mobile layout and your field look like this, if your field look like this in mobile layout for this widget, so you can fix this issue by using custom CSS. Go to customize section and then we are going to add CSS. Now paste and you will find all CSS in video description or in comment section. So this custom CSS apply on maximum screen width 767 pixel. We added class cool form field and then we added maximum width 100% important and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to page again and refresh the page. Now you see after adding custom CSS, your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.